Okay, let's consider an object. Initial velocity is u. That means at the time t equals 0. So at this moment we hit the stopwatch. Stopwatch starts running from 0, right? And let's consider the time taken is simple t, spent t time, and the velocity is v, and the displacement within this time interval is considered as s, that is the displacement. So this is the displacement, and then we consider the acceleration as a, simple a. Simple a is the acceleration. Okay, right. So now we are going to derive all four equations of motion, starting from the acceleration. So we can write acceleration of the particle. We know acceleration is equals to change in velocity over time taken. Change in velocity over time. For acceleration, we usually take, now acceleration is a, right? So a equals to change in velocity. So the change in velocity is final velocity minus initial velocity. So final velocity is v minus initial velocity is u over the time taken is t minus 0. So then we can write that is v minus u divided by t. Right? So a equals v minus u divided by t. Now I can take this t and multiply to the other side. Therefore, I get at equals to v minus u. And then I take this minus u to the other side. It becomes plus u. So therefore, u plus at equals v. So then we get v equals u plus at. So that's the first equation.
Can I copy that down first before you move on to the next?
Oh yeah, sure. Once you're done, let me know.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now the next one. When an object travels with a constant acceleration, uh, its displacement we can find by considering the average velocity multiplied by time. So here, right, when an object travels with constant acceleration. Constant acceleration, or we can say when an object in a straight line motion. Okay, because when an object in a constant acceleration motion, then it is a straight line motion. So we can say when an object in a straight line motion, its displacement is given by displacement is equals to average velocity into time. So displacement, we take the letter S, right? S for displacement. So average velocity, we can see within this time t, the velocity is changed from u to v, right? So within this time t, the average value will be u plus v. Since two values, we have to divide by 2. That's the average. Okay. U plus v divided by 2. And this one should multiply with the time. So time simple t.
So
Therefore, I
why
can
does it
write.
become why does it become
Sorry,
2 again? Why does it become 2 again?
because the average, Now suppose if
Right,
you
right.
have
Well, 2
2 and
velocities.
4, two numbers, if you want to find the average, you have to divide by 2. Okay, so then here the average is 3. And let's say you
Okay,
have
because,
three numbers, 1, 2, and 3. If you want to find the average of these three numbers, 1 plus 2 plus 3, divide by. So here we have to divide by which number?
3.
3, because there are three values, we have to divide by 3. So you get
Okay,
here
this is
2. Okay.
because there's 2 velocities, right? You divide by 2.
Yeah, so here we have taken two values, u and v.
Okay.
So therefore we have to divide by 2. Is that
Okay.
clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So therefore I can write the equation is equals u plus v divided by 2 into time. So this is the second equation. You can write down this now.
Okay. Yeah. I'm done.
Done. Okay.
Recalculator.
Now here I have already derived two equations. So from this equation, v equals u plus at, v equals u plus at. In this equation, I am subjecting for simple t. Then t equals, we get v minus u divided by a. If you subject for t, you get v minus u divided by a. Okay.
Okay.
So in this equation, I'm substituting for t, okay, in this equation. So I write substitute for t in s equals u plus v divided by 2 into time. So then I get s equals u plus v divided by 2 times. Now t is equals to v minus u over a, right? Simply in this equation for time, I'm substituting v minus u over a. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So then here 2a is in the denominator. I can multiply to the other side. It becomes 2as. And u plus v I can write as v plus u, right? Because 2 plus 3 is equals to 3 plus 2, right? Nothing wrong.
Yeah.
I agree?
Yes.
Okay. So then here v plus u times v minus u. Now what is this?
Language.
May have studied in mathematics.
This
Now, for example, if you have a plus b times a minus b, this is equals to what?
A squared plus 2b plus c.
It's simply a squared minus b squared, no?
Okay.
The difference of two squares, right? A squared minus b squared is equals to a minus b into a plus b, or x squared minus y squared is equals to x minus y into x plus y, right? The
Yeah.
factors of difference between two squares, right? Because you can do expand this answer, so you get that. Now suppose you have a plus b times a minus b. So first you have to multiply a with a, so you get a square, and then multiply with this plus and minus minus ab, and then you have to multiply this plus and plus ab, and then this and this plus and minus minus b into b is b squared. So minus ab and plus ab cancel, you get a squared minus b squared,
Yeah.
right?
Okay.
Okay. So similarly, we can write here 2as equals to v squared minus u squared. Is that clear?
Yes.
So then we can subject for v squared. That means you have to take the u squared that side. So u squared plus 2as equals v squared. Therefore, v squared is equals to u squared plus 2as. V squared is equals to u squared plus 2as. This is the third equation. Okay, you can write down.
I finished.
Finish. Good.
Yeah.
Okay. And the next thing, v equals u plus at, right? So here I'm going to substitute for v, substitute for v in s equals u plus v divided by 2 into time in this equation. So that I can write s equals to u plus, for the v I had to write u plus at, and the whole thing divided by 2 into time. So then I can write s equals u plus u is 2u plus 8t. This whole thing divided by 2, I separately divide by 2. Divide by 2, divide by 2. And all things should multiply by simple t. So then here 2 and 2 cancel, so we get s equals u plus half a t into time. So then I can multiply with the time, so I get s equals to u into t is ut plus half into a into t squared, half a t squared. So this is the fourth equation.
Okay.